Is make sure you cut your breaker off to the AC unit. The thing you may want to look at is your thermostat. Sometimes the thermostat will get faulty and it will run the inside blower, but it will not communicate electronically to the compressor outside. So sometimes replacing the thermostat helps. But in our situation, it wasn't thermostat. Let me show you what happened. There's going to be a wire going from your house out to the AC unit, which you can see right here. And in fact, there's two wires in ours. There's a red and a white wire. And what had happened is our dog has decided to, he got back here and chewed this wire up. Back underneath the house, found out where he had chewed it up, which was back over here. And I just cut and spliced those wires back together again. AC unit works. Thanks for watching.